Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Genshin impact, lag, easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, what you need to do first, just type here task manager, click on it, and then once you're here, just close applications that you don't need here, right click on it, end task, right click, end task, and that's it. Close all the applications that you don't need, and now just to go back and go to settings. Just right click here on your desktop and go to NVIDIA control panel, and now just wait, and then here we'll find use my preference. Click on it and move it to performance and click apply, and that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.